Okay, today we're going to do that easy swoosh in the Pepsi icon. And so the first thing you're going to do with that is draw a little round circle, zoom in. I'm going to go ahead and give it a color so we can see it. And let's just pick a blue. Oops. Now let's convert that around and take away the stroke. There we go. Alright, the easy way to do that is with your pen tool. Just create a line straight through the circle. I'm going to go ahead and give that a stroke so we can see it. And let's make it a white stroke. Alright, and then I'm going to make it a thicker stroke using this. I'm going to go ahead and take it to about 20. There we go. And I extended it past the edges of the circle so that when we curve it, these corners don't end up inside the circle. And you'll see what I'm saying. Let's change the color of that stroke. I missed it. Let's make it white. There we go. Actually, let's make it a little off-white so we can see where we are. Add a little bit of color to it. There we go. And also, what I want to make sure is that they are in the middle with each other. So I'm going to go up to the top to the vertical line center, and now they're perfectly aligned. I'm going to add another point right in the middle on this point. See how the little plus sign shows up on my pen tool? Alright. And now we're going to go to the Convert Anchor Point tool, the little arrow over here, and I'm going to click and drag. Let's see, should I go this way or that way? I think this way. There we go. And see how the corner stays outside of this? Alright, now what I'm going to do is go up to Object, Path, and Outline Stroke. So that gives me a solid shape. Now I'm going to select both of them and go to my Pathfinder palette. And the second one there is minus front. So it's minused, and now we have a nice smooth, even shape that's equal on the top one and the bottom one. Now in this case it's a little catty corner, so I'm going to turn it that way a little bit. There we go. Now it's one shape right now as a compound path, so what we're going to do is Object and maybe just ungroup it. Right, there we go. So we can make that one red. The spectrum thing is weird. Right. And there's a nice Pepsi thing. Now if you want to go in and edit this, like if you wanted this to be more round or you want to create a different shape, you can go into the hollow tool and change it. Oops. And just change a few shapes. Maybe you want to do this or do a little bit of that and edit it a little bit and make sure you end up with it being smooth. And a good way to make it smooth is with under the pencil tool there's a smooth tool. Roll over it with that thing. Now it's smooth. But now see, my two shapes are different. So what you can do is copy and paste this one. Press the letter E and it'll give you one of these, and do a complete 90-degree turnaround. And I'm going to snap it to point into place with the other circle. There we go, and delete the blue one. And now I've changed the shape even more. Oops, where's my blue? There we go. But it's equal on both sides, even though that's a bad shape because it just doesn't look smooth and right. But you get the idea.